Now remember, at the beginning of this session, I asked you to pick between two statements that best describe you. The two statements were either A, if I am doing what makes me happy, then it must be right. Or B, if what I'm doing is right, then it should make me happy. You chose A, if what I am doing makes me happy, then it must be right. Your answer is a statement that tends to reflect the perspective that you most value your experiences when they verify your knowledge through physical measured evidence. This tendency is fairly normal for people. Human nature and culture tell us how we have the ability to determine truth and how our circumstances can affect us in the process. This position is consistent with answers you gave in earlier sessions about how you view circumstances. You have stated in various ways that you rely on your circumstances to satisfy your needs. Hopefully, you can begin to see how circumstances may not be a reliable influence on determining what is true. Also, you responded to questions earlier that would lead us to conclude that you are a Christian. This is one of the more challenging areas for Christians because the answer you gave on this question contradicts what God tells us about truth. Jesus says He is the truth and that the truth sets you free. But what does He mean? He wanted us to know that He is the revealed qualities of God and that He reveals to us all truth in Himself as He draws us closer to Him in a relationship. In this way, we are free from how circumstances affect our needs because we have all the provisions and privileges of God's kingdom in our life in Christ. When God created the world, He said it was good. Now, is that because the world makes someone's circumstances favorable? God had not even created humans when He said creation was good. And Jesus told the rich young ruler that no one is good but God. The Christian's view of good does not rely on our circumstances, but focuses on the qualities of God. So let's move on for now, and hopefully the remaining discussions of this course will help you in how you think about circumstances and truth.